Hello everyone, and welcome to our video about the amazing vitamin that can reduce your risk of atherosclerosis by 34%. Do you suffer from atherosclerosis or know someone who does? Are you looking for a way to reduce your risk of the condition? Well, you've come to the right place. Atherosclerosis is a condition in which plaque builds up in your arteries, reducing blood flow and leading to dangerous heart-related issues like a stroke or heart attack. The good news is, there's a vitamin that can reduce your risk of atherosclerosis by 34%. So let's take a closer look at this amazing vitamin and how it can help reduce your risk of atherosclerosis. Researchers from the University of Western Australia and Edith Cowan University conducted a study of over 50,000 participants in the Danish diet, cancer, and health study over a period of 23 years and found that the more vitamin-rich foods they ate, the less their risk of developing cardiovascular disease related to atherosclerosis. Specifically, this risk was decreased by as much as 34%, particularly in terms of peripheral artery disease. The Journal of the American Heart Association recently published a study which revealed that people who had a higher consumption of vitamin K1, mainly obtained from green leafy vegetables and vegetable oils, had a 21% lower chance of being taken to the hospital due to cardiovascular disease associated with atherosclerosis. Furthermore, an intake of vitamin K2, found in meat, eggs, and fermented products like cheese, decreased the risk of hospital admittance by 14%. A researcher from the University of Western Australia stated that cardiovascular disease continues to be a major cause of mortality in Australia, and there is still a lack of understanding of the significance of the various vitamins present in food and how it can impact heart attacks, strokes, and peripheral artery diseases. Vitamin K and calcium buildup. A researcher from the European Central University noted that the study results hint that having a higher intake of vitamin K may be beneficial in warding off atherosclerosis and its effects on one's cardiovascular health. Generally, the current dietary intakes of vitamin K are just enough to guarantee that a person's blood is able to clot. Yet, there is rising proof that taking in more than the recommended dose of this vitamin may be able to provide further protection against diseases like atherosclerosis. The researcher has concluded that although further exploration is necessary to gain a full comprehension of the process, they firmly believe that vitamin K works by safeguarding against calcium deposits in the principal arteries of the body. The expert clarified that there are 10 forms of vitamin K2 found in our diet, and each of them can be assimilated and take effect distinctively in our body. Consequently, the succeeding stage of the exploration will be the formation and enhancement of databases data regarding the vitamin K2 content of food. So, if you're looking for a way to reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke, then eat this vitamin-rich food. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If yes, kindly comment yes in the comment box. That motivates us to produce more videos like this.